What's up, you degenerates? Scott Barnes with another live blackjack session with NG Slot. Now, a video ago, I did upload from Perfect Pair or Pocket Pair, I believe, and I don't think that was the right choice of video, but I did have a comment that was like, hey, check them out, and I did, and obviously, it wasn't live, and I really want to just get some live action, but I always got to try to, do some new things, and I wanted to adhere to some of the viewers, or some of the content creators out there that does live blackjack. So with that said, let's just jump right into it here. We're in Reno, Nevada at Peppermill Casino. I think he's bought in for $25,000. Let's get into the action.
Let's get that 2,500 with blocks. Okay, guys. So we will
guys, make sure to go over to NG Slot, give him a view, a like, and subscribe.
We are going to get some block.
And let him know, yes, we still love watching him fumble and count his chips constantly. Oh, and I did get a comment too. I was doing, I think it was Dude Luck.
Thank you, man.
I was like, we're here at Reno, Nevada. We got $25,000 on each hand.
Hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Trying to give Mr. Handpay some love. 16.
1 or 4.
Ooh, I like how this dealer snaps those cards.
Okay.
This is a fun dealer.
I'm gonna do just one hand, 400. Okay, let's do one hand, just 300. Stay. Alright, so you know what? We are gonna do right now 3 hand, $600. Uh-oh. 8 or 9. Let's get a picture here.
Oh man.
Alright. At least we got the money back.
I'm telling you, after watching that from
let's do again,
Perfect Pair or Pocket Pair, whatever, live action versus not live action.
Okay, stay here.
Dealers and cards come, I think, so much different.
Stay. Blackjack. Can you have a club or face? What about 8 when?
8?
Yeah, let's get 8. 6. Okay. Let's try once again, 3 hand, $600 each. Perfect. Just double down this one. Face down. Yeah, hit here. Yeah. Perfect. Face down. Alright. Very nice. So we won 900 there, 1200 here, and 600. So that's a $2700 winning hand.
Nice hand. Nice little comeback. And again, I think we started at 25,000.
So let's take all those chips. So there is a 3,000. Stay here. Just double down. Stay there. Make it easy, boss.
Big one.
Right.
Nice.
Another 2,400 in the house.
That was a good double. Smart. I like
Power
that.
of NG's blackjack. My friends, make sure to smash a thumbs up for this high limit blackjack session.
Yeah, and give me a
Here,
thumbs up
hit that
too
subscribe
for
button
him
and bell
counting
icon
his
that you get
chips.
all the notifications from NG. All right, let's go, sir.
All right, we got a blackjack and two double downs. This could be a big hand. Let's see. Let's see this.
So I'm gonna just double, guys.
Yes, you should. Always double your
So we
11s.
just got the blackjack on this hand, and let's go. I'm gonna just double. Let's do both face down. $600 each. Picture.
Ooh.
Oh,
Ooh.
shoot! That's not cool.
The aces will kill you. They'll win you and they'll kill you.
We just lost $2,400 with that hand. So let's do $1,000 one hand. No, that's not cool. So here we have a, that's a 4,500. Okay, and this.
Slick.
I'm gonna just double up my bet. $800.
Big one. Big one.
Very nice. It's kind of hard to get a blackjack, We're gonna double up again. $1,600 bet. Right here, buddy. There you
Nice.
go. That's a $2,400 win. Very nice. Thank you. So I'm gonna just keep my $1,600 bet.
He's doing good with the hundreds, man.
8-9. Not for you, I mean here. Okay, 8. Perfect.
Okay. 16.
Another 1,600.
Sorry for the sniffles. I know you guys hate it.
So let's go. 1,600. 7 would be nice. Alright, I will take it. It could be worse.
Big
Once
one.
again. Ouch. Shit, yes. Okay. So let's see what we have here. That was a nice shoe. Alright. So this is what we are up, guys, right now. That's a $3,500 and $3,900 for the shoe.
Oh my god.
So I will do 3 hand. $800 each.
Oh, those are gross.
It's not food. Okay. 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's perfect. Leave it. 4, 5, 6. Again, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5.
What did I know an ace was going to come out?
Alright, at least we won on this one, guys. It's a 21.
He's got a 10 under there. Yeah.
So, let's go again. $300 each. Again, picture there. Picture. Oh my goodness.
Man.
13, 14, 21. Let's do $1,800. Actually, $1,900. Alright, so.
Oh, here we go. Here's some
honest,
action.
please. We have 1,900. And yeah, so I'm gonna just double down 1,900 guys. Let's do face down, sir.
Face down?
Yes. Just boss, make it easy, please. Very nice.
Oh, man.
$7,800. Actually, 7,600.
Sometimes the comments, they make my day, you guys. Like, the last one that I posted, I referenced a couple things from
Very nice.
Vegas vacation. I got some great comments on, and then I got the, I was doing a Mr. Handpay, impersonation, and I got a comment off that. Like, I love it when you guys react to that. Oh, it makes my day. Big one. There we go. All right, now we're kind of on a heater.
Huh?
Ooh, this guy's got some chip
$300
skills.
minimum. It's a minimum $300.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Big one.
There you
Nice.
go. That's a nice hand. You know what? Let's do 1600.
Good. Let's press it.
Blackjack in the house.
Nice. Let's
come
go.
on.
One more.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Not
it
for
gets
you,
the
bro.
days.
Last
Not
time
for
we
you.
both had the ace, you got the blackjack. Okay. 3, 4.
Oh,
Perfect. We
Okay.
got 20.
big one.
Beautiful. Powerful. Wonderful. Guys, also make sure to sign up at ngslotsfreeplay.com. Today we have a $100,000 giveaway. So all the users are gonna get guaranteed 30 free spin, and there is gonna be 200 lucky winner who will get a $500 gift. So sign up at ngslotsfreeplay.com and get your gift. And wish you good luck, guys. Let's do $800 hand. Hit. Beautiful.
Nice. He's on a heater right now.
We are gonna do 1,600. 3, 4.
Nice.
That's very okay.
Yeah. Good press. I like
You
that.
are doing really good, guys.
Dealer's fast on the chips too. This is a great session, guys.
Same bet.
Yeah, if we can get 100 comments, 100 likes, this Friday we'll do a live.
I'm not gonna split. Split or no? What would you do? You would split or no?
No.
Let's get the ace. All right.
Let's see what the next card is.
The
14.
next card.
Yeah.
I would pass the first one, and I would pass the second one. So I just would lose like another 1600. Okay, so I will do two hand $600 bet. Let's have a nice finish. 8, 5, a little bit more. It should be push. I mean break even. Oh, I want to say push like I will win on this end. But you know what, guys? We did pretty cool. This session I started with $25,000, my friend. So here we go. We have a 5,000. We have a 6,000. And this is a $6,600. So I'm up $6,600 for this shoe. I hope you enjoyed. And my friends, I'm gonna see you next time. And I will do another. I'm gonna start the next session with $31,600. So let's see how we will do. I hope you enjoyed. And once again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon that you get all the notification from NG's High Limit Blackjack.
Yeah, definitely do that, you guys. Go over to NG Slot. Hey, and also, by the way, I wanted to mention, if we can get 100 likes on this video, all right, and I know I'm doing this at the end, and not a lot of people watch at the end, but if we get 100 likes on this video Friday, we will do a live either reaction or we'll do some gameplay. With that, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one. Appreciate you guys.